Hi Todd, Abs here from Burton Chevrolet Buick GMC in Whitewater, giving you a quick video on that 2016 SLT all-terrain. Look at this bad boy. This thing has got a sick look to it. It's got that leveling kit in the front, full tow package. Look at this. That is your solid tonneau cover. No one is going to be messing with your valuables in the back of that thing. It does have all your safety features. All those blacked out wheels have no curb rash on them. You check out these running boards here. Those things are solid. They are not rusted. This thing is clean. This thing hasn't even been through detailing yet. And this is how clean this truck is. Check out those LED lights and the blacked out GMC emblems. Gorgeous. The inside of this, you're going to be wowed. Check this thing out. All-terrain interior with that stitching. Look at that right there, all the way through. Beautiful. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, upgraded Bose, 4-wheel drive. Look at this thing. Only 100,000 miles on this thing. That is it. And look how clean this thing is on the inside. That has not even been through detail yet. You got your sunroof right up here. Beautiful. Look at this radio. Got your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto right here, and built-in navigation. And there's your backup camera right there. Heated seats are on. Dual climate controls, power adjustable foot pedals, all the USB plugins right here. You got even more down in here, along with the organizing tray. Look at that thing. This thing is ready to go for whenever you want to. This truck will not last long just by taking a look at it. This thing is gorgeous. Any questions, please give me a shout. Phone number is 262-473-6060. Talk to you soon, Todd. Thank you.